Alright guys, hi, hello, welcome to my channel again. So today I'm going to be doing a tag video, and I just googled YouTuber tag questions. And this one came up. It says 20 basic new YouTuber tag questions you must answer. So we're gonna get it on and popping. Okay. So the first question is, it says here's a list of new YouTuber tag questions. Have fun answering them. It says, what is your name? What is your name and the name of your channel? Oh, okay. Yes, so my name is Simone Henry. The name of my channel is LyricRochester. What does the name of your channel mean? Well, I was watching Bad Girls Club when Bad Girls Club was Bad Girls Club. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking, I ain't gonna sleep cause of y'all. Y'all ain't gonna sleep cause of me. I'm talking, yeah. And there was a character in there called Lyric, and I loved her, and I was like, yes, I love her name. Stolen! So I just called myself Lyric, and then it stuck. And Rochester is the last name of my stepfather. Where are you from? I'm from Jamaica. Why did you start a YouTube channel? I started my YouTube channel because I saw, her name is now Julia Graff, but back then sorry, it was called Mischievous. And I've said this, I've given this story so many times. So I saw Mischievous and I fell in love with just how she did makeup. I'm talking when YouTube back then was booming, because nobody had the balls to actually do what we were doing back then. No, everybody got balls, you know, like balls coming out the ears, you know. But yeah, so back then nobody was doing what we were doing, what she was doing rather. And aside, and I think I was fresh out of Face Place. That's where I got trained locally, and I just started my YouTube channel. And it was because of Julia. Like, Julia gave me the she gave me the push to actually want to do this. She encouraged me, she ministered to me, she spoke to me. Like, I love Julia Graff. I love Julia Graff. What will your channel be about? Oh, it's new. Oh my goodness, this is for new YouTubers. Oh, well, my channel is about makeup, reviews, and yeah, makeup and reviews. Makeup and reviews of hair, and I haven't delved deeply into clothing. You know, maybe when I get some new, I'm gonna go into clothing, but not now. But just for now, it's makeup, hair, and yeah, makeup and hair. So who is your target audience? Oh my gosh, these questions, these are for new YouTubers. Let's just go with it. I'm here already. Let's just do this. Got my makeup on. I look cute, so let's just do this, honey. By the way, my head wrap is from Sweet King Jazzy. Alright, so my target audience is people who love beauty, who love makeup. I can't say fashion because I'm not yet there where fashion is. I have not done many fashion videos here, so definitely makeup and beauty. What do you hope to achieve with your channel? I want growth. I want growth for my channel. Because, you know, doing this for so many years, it becomes, oh my gosh, when is gonna be my time to shine, you know? So I want growth for my channel. 3 favorite YouTube: comedy, Shane Doss; tech stuff, everything Apple Pro; makeup, Jackie Aina. What is your favorite thing about the YouTube community? Well, the YouTube community it has changed definitely since I started many moons ago, darling. Many moons. It has changed a lot. People are way more outspoken now. You know, they've taken this freedom of speech to a whole new level. So it's different. It is different. What do you think you could bring to the YouTube community that isn't already there? Well, for anybody, it just has to be you, because I mean, makeup is already here, beauty is already here. So it just depends on you and your personality. What can you watching this now bring to the YouTube community? How will your personality effect change? You know. And that's why Jackie Aina is so popular, because she just speaks her mind. Did you see that interview with her and Nicole Richie? Nicole Richie was like, oh, I just love neutrals, and Jackie Aina was like, yep, with that like shit ton of glitter on your under eye. Bah! I see you, boo. And I was like, Jackie, know, you know, but hey, she went there and she stayed there, honey. Shit, she moved in. Okay. 3 things we should know about you. You guys know this. I'm a singer, songwriter, and a gospel recording artist. You guys know this. I don't do my nails. I'm sorry. I have like 4 more videos of me not wearing nails. So prepare yourself, you guys. But when these bad boys go on, honey, you're gonna know. So what do you think the hardest thing will be about becoming a YouTuber? The hardest thing about being a YouTuber is, oh, look at me gonna sound all cocky. Time. Let me just say time. You know, time to record for me, because I have Jonathan, Jermaine, friends, family, responsibilities, other responsibilities. So for me it's time. Like, no, I'm home alone. I don't like to film when the house is full because I feel awkward talking essentially to a camera, which will eventually be you guys, but it's initially a camera. It's just awkward, and I feel like I can't be myself when there are people around listening to me. That's weird. I'm a weird individual. What do you think the most rewarding thing will be? The most rewarding thing will be hitting 500,000 subscribers. And then if it's even at all possibly in my lifetime, 1 million. Do you see yourself being on YouTube for a long time? Yes. Do you have any tips for others who are just starting on a YouTube channel? My tip is this: just be unapologetically you. Just be you. Boo boo. Can't nobody do you the way you do you, boo boo. Just be you. This is, and then being you will be met with negativity, and it will be met with positivity, you know, the good and the bad. But as long as you're true to yourself and what it is that you're bringing to this community, then it's Gucci, you know. You good. Just be you. The only thing I would say though is you better get a good camera. I know people are not saying this more often, like, oh, just start. No, not in this day and age, honey. You can't just start, or at least get a phone that has good camera quality. You know, like, you can't just start. Like, dude, get your good camera. Go on NUME.com. That's the ring light I'm using. It's like $118. That's cheap for a ring light, because like the Diva ring light that I wanted for years, like $300 and something. I mean, I might eventually get there, but for now, like my Nero ring light, it's doing it for me, you know. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. You know what, I am going to do another tag video. I like these sit down talking to you videos because I hardly do them, don't it? Alright, so let's see if I can find some more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.